Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to my channel, Escape the Matrix. And if you are new to my channel is about escaping the 9 to 5 life, escaping the working 40 years, just so you can retire at 65 life. So if you are interested in that, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's talk about how to rent out your FHV/TLC plates. So if you guys aren't familiar with what FHV or TLC plates are, they are the plates given to you by New York City. So what the FHV plates or the TLC plates allow you to do is to drive Uber, Lyft, and drive on many other platforms as a for-hire driver. Due to the fact that new plates aren't being given out, there is an opportunity to make money with your plates even if you aren't driving, and the way for you to do that is one of two ways. The first way you can do it is you can rent out your whole car that your FHV plates or your TLC plates is attached to. Let's say you have a Toyota Camry that your TLC or FHV plates are attached to. Now you can rent out this car to another Uber driver or a taxi driver, and they can use this car to drive for any of the platforms. Let's say your car is paid off and your insurance for the month is $500 for full coverage. Now your monthly expense is $500, and let's say maintenance is costing you another $100 a month. So your total costs are $600 a month. But you can go and rent this whole car. You do a car lease agreement where you are leasing the car. You do have to add that new driver that you're renting the car to onto your insurance policy, and after you do that, you can rent them the car. So cars right now in New York City rent for a minimum of $250 a week. So that's $1,000 for the week if you're renting it out for $250 a week. And we said that your insurance is $500 a month and you're spending $100 in repairs. You're making $400 a month in passive income. With that being said, that isn't the only way for you to make money. Let's say, for example, you just want to rent out your plate and not the car because you want to keep your car, you want to have your car, you don't want another driver putting wear and tear, beating up your car. So you just want to rent out the plates. Another way you can make money is by doing a plate lease agreement. So you are doing a lease agreement instead of the whole car. You are just leasing the plate. The driver will have to go and attach that plate onto a vehicle of theirs. Renting out just the plates means that you don't have a vehicle attached to it, so that's all dependent on the driver. So obviously, because you don't have a vehicle attached to it, you're not going to get as much for the plate. So from what I've been seeing, it's $250 to $500 a month just to rent the plate. So that's about $50 to $125 a week. This is what you negotiate with the person you're renting to. There are tools online available for you to get a license check. You can probably get a driver's abstract from the DMV website. I believe it's about $7. Make sure whoever your renter is, just charge it to them and let them know that you have to do this in order to check their driving history. So with that being said, those are the two ways to make money with your FHV or TLC plates. But either way, you can make money, and it's really up to you on how you want to do it. As far as getting a lease for the car or the plate, I would recommend talking to your insurance broker. They will definitely be able to help you out. They will be able to give you the best ways to go about renting it out. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that it can help you. And if it does help you, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me. I also do have a favor to ask you guys. If you guys are going to sign up for Uber, I'll leave my link in the description. And if you guys are looking to save money on gas, I'll leave a link in the description for an app called Get Upside, and you can save money on gas every time you go to the gas station. So I'll leave those links in the description for you. Make sure you guys use those if you guys do sign up. Until next time, enjoy your journey escaping the Matrix.